Hi car friends, I saw a trick that I wanted to try for myself. On the SAAB NG9-3 the menu knob, wheel, it could lose such sensitivity and also jumping wrong way or to many steps. I wanted to try if the trick worked, and if it was a permanent fix. First just pull off the knob, wheel. Take some WD-40 and spray at the contact. Be careful to not overdo with the WD-40, or else it can make a mess. To my surprise it actually made a big difference, it worked. You could also hear the clicking when the knob, wheel is turned again. Now the question is for how long? After around 7 months, it lost its sensitivity and started jumping wrong way or to many steps. But as easy as this was, you can just repeat the procedure. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. I am thankful for all the support I get. Write a comment and I will get back to all of you.